So this week I've chosen the subject of stress and the mind-body connection. And the real reason for that, there's been a lot of focus in my own personal life as I knuckle down and prepare for my TEDx talk, which is coming up in all of 9 days. And the theme is the mind-body connection and how do you retrain your brain to reduce your pain. So as I go over my script many times, it's almost like layers of an onion is being peeled off, and greater depths that I'm becoming aware of for my patients and also myself in different ways. So I think that would be a great subject matter tonight. And the role of stress, because it is stress that from childhood, from our lives, and also from our personalities, it's a life experience, I think, to endure stress and to learn from it and to move on with our life, and often pain is part of that. But the programming happens in our nervous system, in our limbic system, and then one day later in life we come across an accident or a fall, or maybe just you waking up and you have pain. And the stories I hear every day is it can last for anything from 3 months to 50 years. That's the longest I've had a patient with chronic pain. It's a sensory, unpleasant, emotional and sensory experience, and it's often horrible and makes people feel helpless. So we have this programming, and all of a sudden the stress is there, and the crazy thing about it is it's an unconscious experience that allows the pain to continue, because often we're not aware of stress. We just get on with our day and we do what we do. We're busy, and often that can just trigger the shallow breathing and also a variety of other symptoms that then keep triggering this painful response in the brain and then the physical reality. So, this is what I share with my patients on a regular basis. And it's not until we start to slow down that we start to be aware of our body. And breathing is an excellent way to do this, where we just sit and pause and just watch our breath and breathe out. Deep breathing through your nose and out through your mouth. And by just doing that for either 3 breaths, if that is all you have, or for 3 minutes or longer, you're just calming your nervous system down. And tonight I thought I would just go a little bit deeper into this and share a technique with you on this subject, because I'm a big believer that the more that we can become conscious of our body and conscious of our breathing, that we can start to reprogram our limbic system in the brain, that heart of the brain, which controls emotion, memory, learning, and also sleep, and the control system for the whole central nervous system in our bodies. So very important that we do things in our days to stop and pause and just start switching off that automatic pain response or the automatic stress response, or the other common term for it is fight-flight response. So let's just go through an exercise together, and I hope to demonstrate this so that you can do this in your own time. And feel free, if you're not driving and sitting comfortably at home or in a nice location right now, to follow with me. So first we're just going to do the breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And as you keep breathing, just bring your awareness to your chest. The air is coming in and the air is leaving through your mouth and nose. Now as you inhale, I want you to just focus on the breath going deeper into your abdomen. bringing that breath deeper and deeper into your abdominal area, even lower, so down beside your umbilicus or belly button. Relaxing your abdominal muscles as your diaphragm drops into your abdominal cavity. And as you breathe deeply, your nervous system is relaxing. Your parasympathetic nervous system is activated. Now, if you've got an area of pain, say it's your low back, I want you to just take your attention to the low back as you inhale. Just focus on your low back. That's right. So you're feeling your pain and you're bringing your attention with your breath to that location. And the next step is just, I would like you to focus on the area above that sore location, maybe the middle part of your back. So focus above the pain. And then focus on the area of pain. And then focus on the area below the pain. And then take the focus up to the area of pain. And then above that to your middle back. So you can continue to do this breathing as I speak and explain that we're just moving our conscious awareness above and then at the area and then below the area that's in pain. And you can do this wherever you may feel it in the body. And the whole point is to bring an awareness, a consciousness to this location. And if you continue with this, you're relaxing your nervous system. You're relaxing the nerves that are coming from your brain all the way down your spinal cord and then out to the smaller nerves where you're feeling the pain. Say it's your low back. And you're literally engaging in this part of the nervous system and contributing consciously to the stimulation of the relaxation response. So you're physically doing something for your pain. And this is something I've been working with my patients this week. It's something I've been working with myself in my own meditations. And if you can do this for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, it's a long time, but wonderful thing to do if you're really struggling, so you can't do too much. You're in bed or on the floor or on your couch or chair. Just spend a lot of time focusing on the area and allowing that deep relaxation and literally adding consciousness to the problem. I think one of the things as humans is we don't think about our bodies until it's in pain, or we've got to go to the washroom and empty our bladder or our rectum with our feces. We're not thinking about our pain until there's a problem. So it's a really good thing and a very wise thing to bring attention to the body, to get out of our minds, to get out of our thoughts, if possible, and just bring it back to the body and allow the relaxation to occur. So I encourage you to try that, and please give me feedback. Thank you for joining me tonight. So can you just try this, see what you think, give me some feedback. What would you like to hear from me? I enjoy doing these things and just helping in any way I can with people around the world who are listening and learning, and share it with a friend as well. So it's been really good to be here. So thanks so much. Thanks for joining, and you have a great day or evening. Bye for now.